Hi, welcome back. In this session, I'm going to talk about shared access signatures. In short, it's called SAS, and basically, this is all around storage accounts. So these are at the end. These are URIs used by your apps and the users. So it provides a restricted granular access to the storage, and you can provide the SAS URLs to the clients, but do not share with them storage account key. We will soon look at what is storage account key, because it is a root access. It provides root access to everything to the storage account, so it's a risk. Exposing all the data that should not be, right? And all the operations as well, read, write, delete, everything, list. Instead, provide the SAS URI. So it is still based on storage account key. It has storage account key has two keys. It's like redundant keys, so any one of them can be used. But yeah, SAS URIs are based on SAS storage account key. So if we have key 1 and key 2 at the SAS storage key, we can use one of them to use or generate SAS URI. So we can even provide a start and end date. So as in here, we can provide start and end date. This is how the SAS URI looks like. We can provide the IP addresses ranges here, so we can provide the signature here. So this is generated, right? You don't need to write it. It is generated by itself upon generating SAS URI. So if you see closely, it is a service. The name value key or key value properties we can see here. Combis properties, SV is like service version, it's like a blob and file access, and start and end. ST is start date and time. SE is the end time of access. So yeah, this is on a whole, it is about it. All right, so we can go to the lab and create, we can create a SAS at the account level, or we can as a storage account level. I have to be specific here. Storage account level or object level. That is also that is available in the storage. So let us create. Let us go to the lab. Right. These are the following steps I'm going to follow. So create a SAS at the account level, and another one is SAS at the object level. So both are, again, here it is storage account level. So very first step is create the storage account if you don't have one, and upload a file over there. You can upload a blob file over there, and then check the shared keys, originate if you like, and do not share with anybody those keys, shared keys. Other thing is like shared access key blade, right? Go there and generate the SAS URL. So you can use that SAS URL and prepend it to any of the file you have uploaded in that particular storage account. So, and then access via browser before and after, right? Before and after generating the SAS URL. So you can see the difference. So we will see this at the extension of this, but then it is just at the object level. The same states apply here. So okay, let's create let's see my account here, like storage account, and let's go to access keys first, and then shared access signature next. Shared access access keys are use keys to authenticate your applications. So when your apps are designed to use access keys, they can use it, and we don't share with anybody, and because it is a plain text, so otherwise you have to use key vault to store these keys when the apps are authenticating themselves for the storage account. So you can use see, you have key 1 and key 2, so any key can be used. These are redundant keys. All right, any key can be used to generate a shared access signature, or a SAS in short, once again. So show keys, I can show it. So these are the keys: key and connection string, key and connection string. So all right, hide keys. And now I will go to let's upload an image here in containers first. And I have a test container. Let me upload a file. So what I will do is let me upload a sample file. Let me download a sample and then upload it. So I'm going to upload it a file, some image. I download it from the net. So all right, and upload it. So we are using account key by default. It is using a account key. All right, so I'm not going to change anything here. It is a blob type. By default is blob, but it is not page blob or append blob. All right, close it and then upload it. All right, upload it, and okay, just click it and see, yeah, we are able to access it here. And now we'll go to the storage account, and we go to shared access signature, and I'm just testing a blob right now. So I am disabling file, queue, and table, but keeping blob. Allowed resource types. The resource types accessible with account SAS. So I'm just putting service right now. I'm just putting read only, and I'll enable write also. So here my time is 11:56 AM right now. So I'll just say I'll retro it to 11:45 AM. So it should be available, and it is available until 7:56 PM in the night, in the evening, mountain time. So you can see here, you can use key 2 or key 1 to generate SAS connection string. I'm using key 1. Go ahead, click it, and SAS token. If you see, yeah, we have got this. Let's copy this. Yeah, how it looks. SAS token, or basically here it is. This query string includes all the information required to authenticate the SAS, as well as specify service, resource, permissions available, and time interval over which the signature is valid. To construct an account SAS URL, append the SAS token URL to the storage service. Use one of the URLs below. So we have a blob service URL here. This is a token. So the tokens are used by the apps, and service URLs should be used by the users. So that's my understanding. But then let's see. Alright, that's how you generate the SAS at storage account level. SAS key at the storage account level. So for what about the object level, right? So what we can do is we can go here and go to storage account, go to the containers. I have the test container, and I have two PNG, two images here. I'll just go here and we can go to properties, not here, sorry. So I go to the garden.jpg file, and when I click it, check it, generate SAS. So using key 1, let's make it read-only permission. Start like at about 12:45 PM Mountain Standard Time. Allowed protocols, generate SAS token, and then we have this URL. Copy that, paste it in the browser. There you go, it's working. So that's how you add SAS URLs at account level, storage account level, or use at the object level. So I will see you in the next bit. Thanks.